It's so important to learn how to tell your own stories. My name's Wes and me and my team at Tap It Go teach you how to make amazing marketing videos with a device that's already in your pocket. Online video content demand is so high right now and you can't afford to hire a professional videographer weekly. Your smartphone is a powerful storytelling tool. It's just stressful figuring out where to start and how to make a video look professional. But don't worry, we're here to help. Tap It Go is full of professional filmmakers and we have taken all our knowledge and designed an amazing online workshop to jumpstart you making your own videos. This is an amazing 8-week masterclass, and not only will you walk away with every skill you need to make regular video content, but you will also walk away with amazing videos already made to start putting on social media. After touring this workshop all around the world, we've helped every type of business grow their marketing material. And we've now built a way to give you the same information and still be as interactive as the physical workshops, all online. Not only do we have a 5-star review, our graduates cannot stop raving about this course.
Hey Wes, back at Elite Building here.
My name is Richard Price.
Larissa here.
Paul here. Peter Wilson.
This is Raquel Kane.
Mary Jagona.
It's Nicholas Olsnay from iSpiders.
I'm Tammy.
Deborah here.
Sunny Forsyth.
I'm Phil Hawkins.
This is Sally.
I'm Sally Ann Cottle.
Hi, my name's Charisse and I've just completed Tap It Go's online workshop. Freaking loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Wow, blew my mind.
Really informative.
I just found it super fun.
I got so much information out of it.
All of the detail you brought.
Really good, useful information.
It was great, it was clear, and it came from a credible source.
It is truly being trained by a professional.
And I feel like you've pushed me to take it all the way.
And I thought the online presentation was actually really great.
I had lots of fun making our video.
It was actually fun. It wasn't hard.
I have totally enjoyed the course.
You certainly have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain.
I just want to thank you so much.
So much more than I would have ever expected.
I really appreciate all your help.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure I'll talk to you soon.
Till then, it's bye from Dr. Nick.
There's limited spots, so make sure you secure yours for the next 8-week masterclass. Remember, it's easy to make amazing professional video content on your smartphone. You just have to tap, edit, go.